Hello friends, welcome to my channel DataMaking. In this video, I'm going to explain you how to get my virtual machine, free virtual machine, which is Apache Spark and Apache Hadoop been installed in that, and other ecosystem component been installed in that. So how do you get that VM? And once you get that VM files, how do you uh, probably it is in two different files, the VM files, virtual machine files. So how do you actually merge it, and how to import using the virtual box Oracle virtual box visualization software. Okay, so let us start. Okay, so basically what we are going to do is you need to actually get my virtual machine files. Okay, so what are the virtual machine files is probably how do you get it? You just log on to the sparkexample.com. Okay, go to the free Spark and Hadoop VM, and you can just go through my what are the components been installed in this free VM. You can look at the various example I provided in this website. Okay, so I have provided all this softwares, like it is this the softwares Hadoop and Spark, Kafka and MongoDB Cassandra, all is installed on the Ubuntu version 18.0.4.3. Okay, so if you want this VM, you can just it has two files. Combining these two files around a 15 GB of file. It is in my Google Drive. You can just send a request. You can just click on this. It will navigate to the contact page of my blog and send you a request if you want this virtual machine. Once you send this request, I will send you the link to download the virtual machine files. So if you, I'll give it three links. So if you download the files using those links, so what you see is basically these three files. So one is DataMaking VM dot OVA dot chunk 001, which is basically the image file. The virtual machine image file is the name is DataMaking VM dot OVA. So because it's more than 15 GB, it means more than 15 GB. It's 15.2 GB. So I was not able to put it on my Google Drive because 15 GB is the maximum. So I just split it into two different files. Actually, I put it in my S3 bucket, but the cost was shooting up because whenever you just download the 15 GB of DB from S3, then the my billing for S3 bucket is shooting up. So I just I split it into two different files and put it in the S3, sorry, in the Google Drive. Okay, so once you download these two files, and also I just given you the link to download this file splitter. Okay, so using this software only, I splitted this DataMaking VM dot OVA file into two different chunks. So how do you merge it? You just open this exe file, free hyphen file splitter hyphen v this version dot exe. Just go to this join files. Okay, browse this file. Okay, just go to take this location and provide this location here. Just choose the first file. Okay, just choose this DataMaking VM dot OVA dot chunk chunk 001 file. Okay, just say open, and the destination location you can just give the same location. I just take this location and provide it here. Okay, and then probably this you need to give a file here, right? So basically you can just give the chunk DataMaking dot OVA, DataMaking VM dot OVA. Okay, and then say join. So it is going to take those two chunk of files. It is going to join or do the merge operation using this software. So then once it is done, you will get a DataMaking VM dot OVA file. So once this virtual disk file or image file is get, then you can use the import option to import into your Oracle virtualization software. So I given the entire step how to import into Oracle VirtualBox. Okay, and then start using the VM. I actually prepare the playlist for this. So you can actually watch my other playlist and how to import this file into the Oracle VirtualBox and then start using it. See, everything is joined. Say OK and exit from this. So if you see this, the size of this file should be 15.2 GB of data. Okay, so once this is there, you can just open your VirtualBox and you can start importing it. Okay, so I given the steps how to do that. Please follow my video and do this. If you have any doubt, actually probably you can just reach out to me. You can put your question on the comment section of the video. I will help you out. Thank you so much, friends. See you in the next video. Probably you can just watch my other videos. So I'll tell you where this my playlist is there. Just to go to my channel. It's basically you can just go youtube.com/datamaking. If you put this URL, my channel will be open, or you can just browse with the DataMaking just without space. Okay, so now go to the playlist and you have this free VM. So free VM, free Spark and Hadoop VM. So I just put all this videos here. Okay, so I'm just going to add this video also, how to join these two virtual machine files. Previously I given the S3 bucket URL because I told you it's S3 bucket pricing is shooting up, so I just removed from there and I put it on the Google Drive. So thank you so much, friends. If you have any question, actually post your comments and questions on my video comment section. I will help you out. Thank you. See you in the next video.